In today's video, we'll be updating our Tesla Model Y performance. We're gonna change its wheels, so you're gonna stick around and see what wheels we're putting onto this beautiful Tesla Model Y. But before we get into today's detail, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are right there. We're about, what, 12 subscribers left from hitting the 1,000 mark, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. The reason why I got my wheels changed is plain and simple. I didn't want to stay stock. The guys next door, the Custom Shop Miami, they are pretty cool guys, and they recommended me these HRE wheels that didn't really break the bank, and I was able to stay with the tires. That was another thing. That's the main reason why I got them, and I changed the look of the car. Here's some footage of us taking it next door, some behind the scenes of the unmounting the OEM wheel and putting the actual rubber on the new wheel as well. So here's some footage of the guys next door, the Custom Shop Miami, taking off the wheel so that we could use the tire on the new set of HRE wheels. This design that you see here is called HRE Flow Form, and I have it in matte black because I'm going for that black and red theme going on. As you guys can see, these guys are real pros. They were able to dismount the wheel, no scratch, no nothing. They mount and balanced it with perfection. We went around, took a cruise, and everything was well. So after we were done mounting and balancing the wheels and tires, you know we had to do our touch to it. So we decontaminated the wheel. Even though the wheels were brand new, we had our own plans on making this wheel even better. How did we do that? By applying ceramic coating. Here's some footage of the guys prepping the wheel, cleaning it, and installing 2 layers of beads rim. That's the coating that we are using here on this video. So the reason why I ceramic coated the wheels is plain and simple. It's gonna make it easier for me to clean them, and it's gonna change the look of the vehicle as well. And honestly, for the price that I got these wheels, I couldn't say no. So I got them done by Custom Shop Miami, like I said. So now I have a very unique performance Model Y. There's still more plans to it, so you gotta stick around and find out what else we'll be doing as we keep uploading all the playlists of all the videos that we are upgrading the Tesla Model Y here of our shop. Again, the car is always in our shop, so you guys are more than welcome to stop by and check it out. So that is it. We are done with our wheels. I'm not saying that the turbine wheels aren't that cool looking. I just personally didn't want to stay stock. So my friends from next door, from the Custom Shop, laced me up with the HRE wheels. As you saw, we took off the tires, and that's another thing too that I went with these wheels, because you could stay with the OEM tires. You don't have to buy new tires when you're swapping out for these HRE wheels. So I was able to save money with the tires. Now I'm selling my performance wheels. So if anybody out there wants my turbine wheels, they're yours. Other than that, we are done. The guy ceramic coated all of my wheels yesterday, as you guys see from all of these footage that we took here. They are all ceramic coated. And yesterday it rained, and I purposely went into a puddle so I could get them dirty as I can get it within one day, so I could shoot the video and show you guys you know, how well the ceramic coating is gonna work when it comes to cleaning. Now my wheels are dirty. I won't say super dirty, but they are dirty. I'm gonna try to rinse them off just with water. No soap, no degreaser, none of that stuff. Just a quick rinse and see how well it performs. PJ, our photographer and videographer, suggested that we put his car next to mine's and compare the wheels, because his wheels aren't coated, so we can see the difference between ceramic coated wheels, non-ceramic coated wheels. So let's see what happens. So like I said, this is just straight water from my pressure washer. Let's see what happens with, especially with all of this caked up dirt that's here. Oh, and also we did the ceramic coating on the calipers too. I could already see it just with that one shot, all the dirt. The other thing that you guys should look at is the water behavior. Look at the amount of beating that I'm getting. Look at the way that the water just repels right off. The caliper. You got it, there we go. Okay, so you can see the water behavior here, a lot more hydrophobicness, more repellency against dirt, and just a simple rinse, and I'm sure I got about 70% of that dirt there. And you still have to clean it, but it's gonna make the cleaning process a lot more easier. So now, like, take the camera here, and we say, okay, so you guys saw how easy the dirt flied right off my wheels on ceramic coated wheels. Let's see what happens with PJ's non-ceramic coated wheels. So the same thing, he has a lot of dirt inside the inner barrel. Outer face has a lot of dirt too. I'm gonna rinse it. I'm gonna get as close as I did with mine. Right away, you can see that the water just is flat. Go 2 rounds, just like I did on mine. So you can see the water doesn't go anywhere there. So I took off the pressure on the pressure washer so you guys can see what I mean by hydrophobicness. Water doesn't go anywhere, it just sticks to the wheel. So the same thing is happening with dirt. When dirt lands in there, this is gonna stick to the wheel. There you go. And now I'm gonna get my leaf blower and blow them out to see how much cleaner they got with just a pressurized water rinse. Let's see. All right, so that one dried off a lot quicker, as you saw. In merely 30 seconds, it dried off. Over here, the inner barrel taking forever. Yeah. All right, so there it is, just a high pressure wash rinse. And I gotta say, mine's are 70% more cleaner than PJ's. I'm gonna show you guys exactly inside here. I mean, it's not like it's gonna be cleaned 100%. You obviously still gotta wash your wheel, but it's gonna be a lot easier. There's a lot less elbow grease involved once the ceramic coating has been installed. That rinse took off 70% of the dirt. There's still a little bit here and there, but nothing compared to what PJ's wheel. I mean, it's dirt still there. Like if you get inside, if you get in here, PJ, you see all the dirt, it's still stuck onto the wheel. So not much self-cleaning there. And that's one of the things that the coating has. You know, it has self-cleaning properties. Here you go, maybe you can see it here now with the still dirty right there. I'm gonna show you my wheels. So in here, it's pretty clean. It's pretty clean there. The inner barrel as well, it's pretty clean. And it was done a lot quicker. Okay, so as far as making your wheel a lot more faster to clean and just overall a better looking wheel, I think mines were like a matte black when I first bought them. Now with the coating, it kind of gave it like a semi-gloss satin look, which I pretty much like this look better than the original finish that I had. So there you guys have it. We are done coating the wheels, changing the wheels on the Tesla Model Y. Thanks again for tuning into the channel. If you guys like it, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.